In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Uber app not working. Let's get started. First up, check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Uber. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. So close this, launch your settings app. Now head over to the option General, scroll all the way down. Here you're gonna find the option of Shutdown, click on that, wait for a few minutes, then turn on your phone. Likewise, scroll up, navigate to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Uber and launch it. Click on the option Upload app, click on Upload app. To confirm it, wait for a few minutes, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the Uber app. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Uber app from your device. Click on Delete app, click on Delete and confirm it. Now launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Uber and then install it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.